everyone, welcome to Playful Learning with me, Miss Anna. Okay, this time we are going to learn about the letter. I have this letter. Ta-da! Do you know what letter is this? Yes, you're right. Letter J. And we have the uppercase of the letter J, the mommy, and the lowercase of the letter J. It's the baby. Now can you please point where is the mommy of the letter J? With your finger? Yes, very good. This is the mommy of the letter J. How about the baby? Can you point where is the baby? Very good. That is the baby of the letter J. Okay. And how about the sound? How is the sound of the letter J? Very good. J, 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 j. Good job. Okay. Alright, now we are going to check the words that start with j, 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 j. Okay, I have one here. Usually we have this on our bread to make the bread yummy yummy in my tummy. Do you know what is that? Yes, very good. It's a jam. Good job. Then the next picture. Let's see together. Dang, 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 dang. This is it. Do you know what picture is this? Yes, very good. It's a jet. The very, very fast jet. Good job. And then we still have another one. This is the animal that live in the sea. And do you know what is this? Yay! Very good! Jellyfish! Jellyfish! Okay, I still have another one. You guys really like to do it. Yes, I'm sure. Do you know what is this? Yes, what is that? Very good! Dog! Okay, good job. Alright, and I still have, this is something that usually we put the water inside. Do you know what is that? Yes, very good! It's a jug! Okay, and now I'm going to do something. And you have to tell me what is that, what we call it, okay? Ready? Ready, steady, and go! So, what did I do? Very good! Jump! Yay! Good job, everyone! Now, it's time for riddle with PL.
It's time for riddle! Hi friends, it's me, PL. Are you ready to play? Okay, this is a happy drink, and we make it from the fruit. What it could be? Yes, you're right, friends. It's a fruit. Yay, we did it, friends. Yes, good job, friends. Good job, friends. Good job, good job, good job, friends. All right, friends. See you in the next video.
Alright everyone, now we are going to review all the words that start with j. Okay, that we learned just now. Okay, the first we have j. Jam. Good job. How about the next? J. Jet. Okay, and then yes, j. Jog. Very good. And the next one? J. Jar. And then J. Jellyfish. Good. The last one. J, j, j. Jump. Okay, now everybody, let's jump together. Ready, steady, and go. Jump. Hop. Okay, very good. Alright, everyone, that's all about the j, 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 j. And then I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.